Guido and Tori here with Trailside Talks. Today we are at the Aspen Campground along the Mogollon Rim. So yeah, took us a while because we forgot to bring the map on how to get to the spot, but who cares, we made it. So yeah, let's see how it looks here. Oh, even got a fire pit. Nice. Probably will not grill on this. Yeah, slightly wonky. Yeah, probably put the tent up here. And here we are. All the good stuff. Yep, finally got the fridge in. Had it in my garage for almost a year now. Embarrassing. Alright, let's put a tent up and go from there. So, we're finally settled in. It's almost 6 p.m. So here's our little tent. Still the old one. You might remember from the lake, from our, I believe, first video. And then, yeah, today, first test run with the DeVos. Actually, you know what? Let me turn it on. It should work eventually. There it is. A little bit brighter. Oh yeah.
How's my lantern doing? Oh, that's cool. And you can turn down the light intensity, right?
Yeah.
I wouldn't put it on red.
That's the lowest.
That's the lowest? That's good.
So yeah,
I'm gonna do that.
DeVos light works. And what else? Fridge, freezer. There it is. Actually pretty big for the 55 liter. There's still space and we packed the whole kitchen. But yeah, no. And then yeah, tomorrow I will test the solar panels for the DeVos light. They should work. And tonight cooking with the little 5-pounder on our little Coleman grill. It's actually our second one. First one was actually, yeah, one cook station and one grilling side. But we don't grill on those things, so got one with 2 burners. Oh yeah. Let's see what the day brings, or the night. Alright. Alright, it's 7:30 p.m. and as you can tell, pretty black.
Oh my god, it's beautiful.
Yeah, so totally pitch black, darkness. But here's our DeVos light. And yep, there it is. Now it got 2 of those 4 sights on. It's great. And I gotta say, this Aspen campsite, it's very quiet. Okay, fine. One generator is running, but I can barely hear it. And yep, we're making some dinner. Flash. Oh, hang on. Flashlight. Bear with me. Woo! Hell yeah. Burger time. There's no one else.
Hi.
Yep. That's Tori. Ooh, that looks creepy. Yeah, okay, just goofing around. Anyway, yeah, cooking dinner right now. And go from there. That's it. Good morning. It's barely 7 a.m. Gotta say, it was very quiet. In the morning you can hear the crows. The neighborhood, so to speak. Not much noise, which is good. So nobody was running generators all night or anything crazy. Time for some go-go juice, also known as coffee. Alright, let's try this again. A little malfunction with the battery. So yeah, making some coffee right now. Good old-fashioned style. I'm not a big coffee drinker, but on trips like this, absolutely. Why not? So yeah, let's see what the day brings. Pretty soon we'll put the solar panel on the Devo slide, and I'm pretty sure it's good. Fortunately, last night I forgot to turn it off, but it was still going strong this morning. So, good job on the battery. So yeah, let's see what we do today. And here's the answer to the long-asked question. What is for breakfast? We have chorizo, some onions, jalapenos. And we will mix in some eggs, some cheese. Roll it up in a tortilla, and that's it. We're 1 minute away from our campsite and made it to Woods Canyon Lake. And quiet. Unless it's a holiday, then you don't want to be here. That's for sure. Yeah, I mean, it's just Friday, so it's nice. Those boats? Well, yeah, maybe.
How much it costs to rent one of those?
Let's find out. Lots of fish, tiny but fish. So, since I don't really like cooking in the dark, we start right now, 5 o'clock. And what do we have? Oh, some sort of steak fajita. Yep.
Should we take this off?
Can do it.
Or we could take it off too.
I'm sure it'll be yummy.
Turn them all over and then I'll put seasoning on the other side. This is the goldish taco seasoning. Whatever.
pepper, onion, jalapeno. Sounds good enough to me. It's a waiting game. Yep. Got more seasonings. Tastes a little bit dull.
Yeah. The salt. A little more. Almost on top of seasoning that I'm going to. Really must have just placed my business.
Oh, did it?
It did.
Oh, a little seasoning still.
Yeah. I mean, you gotta think we put a whole package of this. I was gonna bring a package, and I thought, oh, this way we just split.
Yeah. What's up?
Now I'll mix it up.
And add some mushrooms. And so for all of you who didn't know it, which is probably all of you, today's our 10th anniversary, so we're having a cheers with non-alcohol free wine and no non-alcohol free beverage.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers to you. Cheers. Alright, cooking is over. Let's eat. And nope, you guys aren't part of it. Sorry. Good morning. Today is Saturday and it's our third day here. Well, it's time to pack up and leave, as you can tell. Everything is packed, probably too much stuff anyway, but hey, at least we tested out another campsite, and yeah, it's good. I like it. Hosts are amazing, bathrooms are clean, they got water everywhere, and they're quiet at night. Awesome. Alright, see you next time.